guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make quick refrigerator pickles. This is something I just did for the first time about a month ago and I'm so shocked. I would always wanted to like can pickles and make pickles in the summer. It just sounded really delightfully southern of me, but I've never really gotten into it. I've canned jam before, but it is a massive undertaking. So this doesn't involve any canning. It just has a few simple ingredients. You bring them to a simmer and you pour them over whatever vegetables you want to pickle and you put them in the fridge and you're done. It's pretty amazing. It sounds like something, if it's this simple, that people would be doing, but I don't hear people talking about doing this, and you need to be doing this. So take a look. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is put our canning liquid ingredients in the pan. You just need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and a tablespoon of salt. That's it, super simple. Okay, once you've got everything in the pan, we're gonna bring it to a simmer. So I just put it on 4 or 5. I can't tell you what level of heat that is because my oven is weird and I don't think it follows anyone else's oven standards. But I guess we would say like medium-low heat. I don't know, give it a go. Starts to heat up, I'm just gonna give it little stirs here and there so that all of the salt is dissolved. Just kind of keep checking on it. Okay, so while the vinegar and water and salt are coming to a simmer, I'm going to chop up the vegetables that I want to pickle. I'm just doing cucumbers today. My coworker has been bringing in these really cute little homegrown cucumbers. So I've washed them really good, really well, really good. And I'm just gonna chop them up into like thin slices, just like you would be able to put on a hamburger or a sandwich. Okay, so we're getting close to a simmer. I'm starting to see teeny tiny bubbles on the bottom. I'm gonna give it one more stir. Probably another minute or 2 will be there. Okay guys, I think we're about at a simmer. About. Maybe we need a tiny bit more, but I don't want it to boil. Yeah, I think we're gonna pour now. Great. Okay, so the final step is to just pour our vinegar, water, and salt mixture into each jar. Kind of make it even if you can. It's gonna be hot. Push it down a little bit, see if I can get more liquid in there. I don't know, I think that seems like a really good amount. So I even have a little bit left. I probably could have made like one more tiny jar, but I'm out of cucumbers. So I'm gonna pop the lids on these. Hot, hot, hot. And that is your pickles done. So as you can see, that was ridiculously easy. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I'm probably actually gonna leave them for a couple days before I even open them because I have a couple jars left that I need to finish up. But it is so easy and it looks like real homemade pickles. And they'll kind of get more pickly looking in the next couple days as the liquid soaks into them. So I encourage you to make your own pickled vegetables while the picking is still good this summer. It's too easy not to try, and it's great to keep on hand. I mean, there's a pandemic. It can't hurt to have a few things on hand. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you would, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.